Good morning, everyone. Happy Groundhog's Day. Puxatawny Phil saw his shadow. We have 6 more weeks of winter. Holy moly. All right. Hopefully you're well. I certainly do miss you. And I hope if you need anything, please reach out to me. So let's get started with today's bell ringers. Today, they're not done for you. Woo, woo, victory for me. It says, which expression is equivalent to x plus x plus x? So how many x's do you have? We have 3 of them. It means 3 groups of x. So that correct answer would be A. That is something that we're going to go over in class probably starting next week. And so just wanted you to be aware of that. It's kind of a little head start. X plus x plus x is 3x. Make a comparison statement. So negative 8 is actually greater than negative 10. And here's why. Negative 8 is further to the right on the number line. And if you think about it, I would rather only owe $8 than to owe 10. So negative 8 is better. So negative 8 is greater than negative 10. And then the last one, we're going to identify the variable, coefficient, constant, and the number of terms in the expression 7x minus 3. So we know that x is our variable because it is a symbol, usually a letter, used to represent some unknown amount. 7 is our coefficient because co means with. So that's the number being multiplied with the variable. The constant is 3. And the number of terms. 7x is a term and 3 is a term. So it has 2 terms. Hopefully those make sense. We got into our multiple ways of multiplying. A times B with the times sign. We have A times B with the little dot. We have 2 letters side by side, means 2. Multiply. And then we also have A in parentheses times B in parentheses. And so we have the different ways to multiply and different ways to write that. So example 1, we have 6 times B. We would write that as 6B. 4 times 3 times H means 12H, where 12 is the coefficient and H is still the variable. We don't know what it is, so that's as low as it can go. 2 times 2 times 2 times A times B is 8AB. That means 8 is the coefficient. A and B are both variables. So what you're going to do today is you're going to do a drag and drop. So you see 5G times 3H. That would be 15GH because you would multiply those together. 5 times 3 is 15 times G times H. So 15GH. 5G times 3, 5 times 3 is 15, and you only have the G, so that would be 15G. So just multiply the numbers together, and just remember that when you have these numbers and letters side by side means to multiply. And so you have your multiplication happening. Then your rest of your assignment has you doing multiple choice. Remember, we are multiplying 2 times 5 times m. Don't add. Today, we're multiple ways of multiplying. Then, you're going to take a 20YZ, and you're going to bust it up. You're going to break it apart. What times what is 20? Remember, we're multiplying. We are not adding. Okay? Catch my drift? It's not C for number 2. All right, just moving on. We're multiplying. And then you have 5D times 7G. And so you're going to multiply those together. Don't add. All right, so erase your answers there and pick your answers for 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully those make sense. Let me know if you need any help, and I'll be here for you. Just message me, and I'll try to help you the best way I can. Some of you in my 3rd hour need to check their email. I think I did what you asked me to. Okay? Have a blessed day. See you soon.